everybody, welcome back to lesson 4. So just like last time, I quick went over some instructional tools of Google. I'm going to do the exact same thing, but this time we're going to do our communication tools. And just like last time, I want to make sure that you comment below and let me know of these communication tools, which ones you want me to go more in depth in, so that I can give my next lesson that will be more useful for you guys. And so if you take a look, we have a lot of different tools. Obviously, email is most common for everybody, but it is also very beneficial. This is a great way to reach out to parents and give them kind of an update. It also is a great way to send mass communication out to all of your students or all of your parents. But it is limited because it is this one blast and then you have to wait for a response, and so it's not as immediate if you want to give that one-on-one feedback to students, and it's also a hard way, obviously, to actually teach live. So we got to look at some other ways to communicate with our students and with our parents. So we do have the chat option. The chat is going to be kind of like texting. So when you're in your Gmail here, that is going to be down on the side. So if you kind of look, you'll see the little symbol right here. That's going to give you your chat function. And then you can put in the student or the parent or whoever you're trying to chat with, and then you click on it and you'll be able to then chat with that person and go back and forth just like you would kind of on a cell phone. If their name doesn't pop up, these are obviously people I do, you just click add and then you can type that person in and you'd be able to find that person right there. For call, that is a really good one too, because obviously we don't want to give our personal information out to the entire world. We don't want people calling us at 2 in the morning, things like that. So Google has a way where you can register and you can get a Google phone number and you can call through Google, and that will be this phone number down here. So you're going to click down here and then you can call anyone right in through there. So that's an also useful way in order to make sure that you are able to then call students and parents without giving out your personal information, since we're not able to call from the actual school landline. We also have Hangout. This is a really great thing. You can create huge group hangouts, which I recommend, so a classroom hangout. So then all of your students can join. You can do class discussions. You can explain an assignment that way, so then the students can live ask questions, so you're able to give feedback right away. So this is really great. You can see one of my teachers have created their classes hangouts, and then they're able to then set up what's going on in the class, and then teachers are able to respond. So they're able to show their different works in there and what's going on, and they can have class discussions that way, which has been really nice. And we have Google Meet. Now this is where you are able to really have live lessons. This is where the students will be live and you will be live. So you'll be able to see your entire class through the computer, and they'll be able to see you. You can do presentations, things like that. And then finally, we have the live stream. This one is also a great way because you are still live and the students can send their questions and their comments through the chat bar, but they are not using their camera, so you can't see them. So for those that don't want to do the full-on video to video, they can do the live stream. So the students' cameras aren't on, but your camera is on, so you're still able to teach. So again, if you want me to go in depth on how to do these and the different tricks to make them a little bit more detailed, please make your comments below and we will go more in depth in our next lesson. Again, thanks for joining me. Make sure you comment, like, or subscribe. See you next time.